KWfinder is without a doubt one of the most effective keyword research tools available. There could be two key reasons for your lack of search traffic. 1. You aren't conducting keyword research. 2. You can't seem to locate the right keywords to target. Keyword research is a must-do no matter what industry you're in. To find better keywords, you'll also need access to the right keyword research tool. This is where KWfinder enters the picture. It includes everything you'll need to identify low-competition, long-tail keywords in any niche. What's the best part? It is incredibly cost-effective. So, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of the KWfinder review so you can decide if it's the perfect tool for you. You can get 10 days of free access to KWfinder by clicking the link in the description box below, and also get 40% off if you upgrade. What is KWfinder? Let's discuss the tool itself before we go into the features, pros, and cons. Mangools created KWfinder, a keyword research tool that may be used to identify thousands of long-tail keywords with low SEO complexity. Mangools is a well-known brand that is utilized by major companies such as Adidas, Alexa, and Airbnb, and it provides you with the following 5 tools for one affordable charge: KWfinder, SERP Watcher, Link Miner, SERP Checker, and Site Profiler. Let me know which Mangools tool I should review and make a tutorial next in the comments. How to find hundreds of easy-to-rank keywords using KWfinder. There are 2 major steps in each keyword research process. 1. Keyword research. 2. Analyzing each of the keywords so you can decide what keywords to target. Let's talk about how to use KWfinder to undertake appropriate keyword research so you can learn how to locate and analyze the right keywords to boost your search traffic. To begin, go to the Search by Keyword tab and type in a keyword of your choice. Then select a location, usually where your target audience is, and click Find Keywords. As you can see, we're using the keyword WordPress themes as an example and picking the US as location and English as the language. Based on your plan, you'll receive up to 700 keyword recommendations, which you may discover in 3 sections: related keywords, autocomplete, questions. Note that the keyword ideas in KWfinder's related keywords tab are all based on KWfinder's databases, whereas the keyword suggestions in autocomplete and questions are based on Google Suggest. For our example term, KWfinder found 200 related keywords. My plan is the basic plan, so I can only see 200 keyword suggestions. If you want more keyword suggestions, you can upgrade to the premium or the agency plan. Related keywords can be quite useful for coming up with keyword suggestions that are comparable to the target term you're seeking to rank for. In the autocomplete area, KWfinder generated 200 keywords. These are the terms that were found using Google's search engine. In the Questions tab, it generated 39 keywords. Question-based keywords can be highly useful for constructing FAQ schema or creating content around question-based keywords if you want to get featured snippets for your content. When choosing keywords from any of the 3 areas, keep the following 3 points in mind. Volume, how many times the keyword is searched each month. CPC, the cost per click value for the keyword. KD, keyword difficulty. Fortunately, Mangools developed a precise KD metric based on the link profile of URLs that appear at the top of Google search results. Look for keywords with a KD score of less than 40 if you want to uncover low competitive phrases that are simpler to rank for. Although you may still need to build links to rank on the first page of the SERPs, these keywords are significantly easier to rank than those with a higher KD% score. Keep a close watch on the competition. It's critical to identify the top-ranking sites for any keyword you wish to rank for when conducting keyword research. You can also target such keywords if any new or low-authority sites are ranking in the top 10 search results. However, you should avoid those keyword terms if you only see high-authority sites on the first page of search results. In the SERP overview, KWfinder displays your competition. See if you can locate a lower DIA site that ranks in the top 10 search results for an example keyword. If yes, you can target such keywords by producing 10 times better content. Identifying the keywords of your competitors. Discovering your competition keywords is one of the best strategies to come up with traffic-generating keyword suggestions. With KWfinder, you can quickly discover your competitors' top-performing keywords. Here's how to go about it. When you're on the KWfinder, go to the Search by Domain tab and type in a URL or the domain of one of your competitors. Select Find Keywords from the drop-down menu. After that, you'll be given a list of all the top performing keywords for that domain. As you can see from the example, you can find all of your competitors' top ranking keywords. You will also receive other information, such as competitors who are close to you, keywords that your competitors are ranking for organically, paid keywords they are using on Google Ads if any. You can also use the filter function to narrow down the specific terms that match your keyword criteria by filtering all of the keyword results. Are you enjoying my KWfinder review and keyword research tutorial? Why don't you give it a shot? Start your free trial with Mangools by clicking the link in the description box below. You'll also save 40% on annual plans if you sign up today and gain access to all 5 of Mangools' SEO products. Pricing plans for KWfinder. Mangools owns KWfinder and offers a bundle of 5 outstanding SEO tools. As a result, there is no special fee for the KWfinder tool only because you'll need a Mangools account to use it. Mangools offers 3 pricing options: Mangools Basic, Mangools Premium, Mangools Agency. Pros and cons of KWfinder. Here's a rundown of some of the pros and drawbacks of utilizing KWfinder. Pros: KWfinder makes finding low difficulty keywords a breeze. Their search data, which includes search volume and KD, is superior to that of the majority of other premium tools. Pricing plans that start at roughly $29 per month are extremely inexpensive. When you sign up for a Mangools account, you'll gain access to 4 other tools in addition to KWfinder. By entering a domain, you can also see how your competitors rank. It also displays you historical data. It has a massive keyword database with around 2.5 billion keywords. Cons: KWfinder does not allow you to conduct an infinite number of keyword searches each day. Even on their most expensive plan, Mangools Agency, you can use KWfinder to run up to 12 keyword searches in 24 hours. Even though these limits are reset every 24 hours, it is still not a good option for heavy users. Conclusion: although there are numerous alternatives to KWfinder, its pricing is unrivaled. You'll also gain access to 4 more incredible Mangools features, like rank tracking, competitor research, and more. One of my favorite features of KWfinder is that it provides precise keyword data including search volume and keyword difficulty. So, if you're looking for a precise tool for finding keywords, this is a fantastic tool for you. Overall, KWfinder is an excellent tool for locating hundreds of easy-to-rank keywords in any area. So, what are your thoughts about KWfinder? Did you learn something new with my KWfinder review? Do you have any other inquiries? Let me know in the comments section. Thanks for watching.